Hey, so I know I have been missing a lot of NRG videos lately, but don't worry, I'm slowly getting back to the swing of things because I think I missed like about 4 NRG episodes. I'm not sure, but don't worry, I'm gonna go back to watching this and let's just hope it's a good time. So we're going to watch the new NRG episode called "You Can't Stop the Wheezer" because the thumbnail looks like it's like some crazy shit about to happen. But hey, don't worry, because I'm right here. So with all that being said, let's go. Alright, let's see what this is. Let's see what Nicky Boy has to offer. By the way, I'm not wearing my beanie today because I don't know where it is.
Guys!
Where the fuck did Sonic come from?
Jeez. What do you want, you idiot?
Yeah, what's up your ass?
You gotta hide me, man!
From what?
This guy won't stop following me! What?
Oh?
This fucking guy keeps saying the same thing and acting like he's better than me. And he won't leave me alone.
I think you're really overreacting.
Bro's on some fucking perks or some shit.
No.
What the fuck?
You just don't understand. This guy keeps following me and saying, "Hi, I'm Carl."
Hank?
Oh no!
Oh, this motherfucker?
This was the guy you were so scared about?
This motherfucker?
Hi, I'm Carl.
Come on. What the fuck Carl gotta do with this shit?
Guys, don't.
What the fuck Carl gotta do with this shit?
This idiot? Ah, come on now, Sonic. He probably couldn't even hurt a fly.
You wanna fuck around and find out?
Holy shit! The fuck?
See, I told you!
Why is Carl on some like fucking evil shit today?
Come back here, you son of a bitch.
Oh my god!
What the hell is this guy's
What the
problem?
fuck?
Bro, doesn't matter. Just keep running.
Quick!
This motherfucker Carl's a devious fucking bitch.
Phew. I think we lost him.
What's
That
going
wasn't
on?
so bad.
Oh no.
You can't escape the Wheezer, fool.
What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck am I even watching?
Stand back, guys. I got this.
No.
Do I look like I need more power?
What the fuck? Yo, why is Carl
just
so
great.
fucking
Now we have to deal with these guys.
strong? I mean, got some like fucking games. Oh,
Oh, you fucked up, son.
what?
98 berries.
All right, he can light anything on fire. Basically, noted.
Wanna head to SMG4's house and play some games?
Hell yeah!
Yes!
They're not gonna like they fucking care about what's happening. For
For the motherland!
Gang. Broski. Okay, that's cool art, by the way. But bro, that was the most jankiest shit I've ever seen. Wow. That was very good, to be honest. You know, I was originally about to end this reaction right here, but you know what? I want to react to another one.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Alright. Another episode we go. Because we are not that fucking tired. Because we take those dubs. Okay, they're teaching how to do
Good job, guys. Man,
fight,
I'm
I guess.
Whew, what a workout. So,
R.I.P.
let's say we grab a
Axel.
chili dog. Okay, sure thing, bro.
So great character. An hour later.
We're back.
Hey, how was it?
Pretty good, as always. Starting to get a little easy.
Oh,
Wow.
hush. Don't get cocky.
I hear holding
He
hands.
kinda does have a point.
Okay.
Okay.
Glad to know you had fun.
Thanks. How was your mission?
Wow.
Not too bad.
I forgot
didn't really
these
have
two
to
are
try,
together. Okay.
That's my guy.
I forgot these two are together in this series.
So,
Sweet.
what's the plan for today?
Isn't it game night?
Hell yeah, it is.
Let's go!
Aren't y'all about to get ambushed
Let's
in like
go.
a couple
Okay, so
minutes?
me, Bowser, and Ant are gonna go grab the snacks.
Oh,
Sounds
and
good to me.
Okay.
Man,
Be
I
safe,
miss
you three.
Mary Jones.
Aw, come on, it's just snacks.
Oh, told y'all.
Freeze! Hands in the air! Don't move! Oh, shit!
Whoa, what the?
Yeah, some of you were fucking guards need some fucking training to drop in.
Daddy!
Oh, come on. Why the whole fucking squad just drop? What did he do? Oh! Never mind.
God.
Never mind. I
What did
don't.
we do?
Never mind.
The better
I think I know what
question is,
happened in
what did
like
Sonic
a few
do?
episodes ago. My memory game is like off. Yep. It's her.
This matter
It's her.
concerns all of you.
Whisk?
Yeah.
Who are you
about
guys
one
anyways?
Series Sunset
We
Paradise.
are the gun, and you are coming with us.
Oh God.
That's a
Not
good
you
voice
guys.
actress. I'm not gonna
Wait.
lie.
Are you new? I don't remember you being the leader.
You could say that. Now, you're coming with us, or this won't go over well.
I don't think we have a choice, Sonic. Ah, fine.
You're gonna have a choice because you guys are gotta have to accept this.
So
I hope the music doesn't
no
get
one's gonna
copyrighted.
question this. Sonic, come on. Okay. Man, this is bullshit. What did we do anyways?
Well, it must have been bad, considering they're mad at all of us.
Shit,
Man.
you guys here too?
We're all here.
Oh, I forgot. G4's here and Steve's here.
So now what? We just wait till they get here, I guess.
Wow.
Now that you're all here, you are each gonna be interviewed separately. Do not fight back, or you'll be detained. Now, let's start with Mr. Robo-Arm.
Huh?
You mean the main man himself?
Watch it.
Nick!
Nick! Hey! Let go, you creeps!
Guys, it's okay. I'll be fine. Hey, will you stop that?
Don't say anything without a lawyer!
I like how they're really trying to defend
Nick,
him.
is it?
That's kind of
Yeah?
sweet. It's sweet.
Tell us your experiences so far.
Oh, well, I started as a baby, then...
Not that far! Hearts, you started saving the world and all that.
Oh.
What
Well,
baby? Oh, Mark.
Well, there was the time we met an alternate universe version of Axel. He was named Sinister. He was crazy.
Probably.
Nice, but crazy. He tried to blow up the castle. Then Axel went angry, scary fish mode and fought him.
Yeah, that shit was pretty scary indeed.
so after Niles came out of the box...
We powered up and sealed him away.
Wait, I thought we killed him.
Don't say it out loud, Tubby!
Sorry.
Oh
This
shit!
time that Max was
Melanie,
not
fucking
inviting me to this clubhouse, and I
chill.
was like, bitch, let Max in. He's your brother. Like, fuck, come on. It's like, okay, but anyways, after that, the next episode of the backyard.
I fucking love Sonic.
Well,
what the
Sonic
fuck,
fell from a
bro?
portal into our world and helped us get out. Plain and simple.
He kept
Where the
taunting
fuck
me.
did Jackson Pomni came from?
And then Eggman sent robots to kill us one by one.
Thankfully, we took them out.
Eggman, you say? So,
She
you
cute.
went from good to bad, I see.
Not her, but sorry.
What's it to? Bad guys learn sometimes,
One day you try to take over
Who the hell is that
anyway.
besides Robotnik?
Sonic called me metal, I swear to God!
And I said,
Oh, it's metal?
that's it. No more baby powder for
Okay.
you. And the guy said, who are
No,
you?
no.
You don't even work here. Where'd you go? How the fuck did you get in here? Like, Jesus Christ. Like, some people have no manners anymore. I was just trying to help.
So, you've heard you were absorbed by a new relic, yes?
I love those things.
None of your business.
Well, there was a
Shadow,
time
why
when
you gotta
being a
act so
girl
fucking
Sonic
emo,
wasn't
bro?
anything.
I give up.
No, you listen to me.
Look, this isn't
Hey,
an
this is
easy
the crew.
decision
They're
to
gonna
be
act
nice.
stupid how they are.
We gotta choose.
You'd work on your cat cosplay a lot more.
Oh,
Well, I think that went
damn!
well.
You're like losing her to her sanity.
Okay, listen up, everyone. After interviewing you all, your fight patterns, your abilities, your adventures, we have come to the decision that you will now have to go through us before you start any big mission or fight. We also will be checking up on you frequently.
What?
Huh.
What?
Fuck you!
Dial it down, Sonic.
Holy
My bad.
fuck.
Anyways,
Fucking
you can't
pipe
track
it
us and tell us
down,
what
fucking
to do.
boy.
We do what's right when there's something that needs to be done. Damn right.
That's cute and all, but we can't allow that. You all live in the same place, and you all can literally go toe-to-toe with gods. So, letting you just go off whenever you feel like won't pass any longer.
Oh man.
Well, I guess we don't have a choice.
Yeah, well, this stinks.
Either that, or you will make
Typical
enemies of
Uzi.
us. Your choice.
Bite me!
You guys can't be
There we
serious.
go.
Sonic, it's either that or we make enemies with the whole government. We don't have a choice.
He's right, dude.
Damn it!
I mean, they're
This
all right.
sucks.
It'll be okay.
Okay, fine. We agree to your dumb terms.
Perfect. We will send everyone back now. Except you three. We have a
Nick,
job.
Axel, and
Wait, what? No!
It's okay, Maggie. We'll be okay.
You boys better stay safe.
We will.
okay. Yeah, I also like what I like it. So is
Now
this
that
three
we have
boys?
good terms, we have a task for you. Care for some action?
Hell yeah! I'm in. Sweet!
Perfect. Follow me. Oh, and one more thing.
Ah, the three fucking amigos, huh?
The other two are a lot more stealthy.
This Sonic gotta be my
than
fucking
you,
favorite ass
since you're
character,
more
dude.
Dash fast, ask later. So, try this on, and I'm sure that'll fix it right up.
Well,
What do you think?
Aw, yeah! This is
okay,
happening!
that actually looks so cool. That actually looks so fucking cool. That I actually like this episode. Holy shit, I actually love this episode. That was actually so good. Alright. I love how this series is going. Alright, so that is the NRG episodes that I am doing today. And yes, I will be doing these two NRG episodes that I'm going to be doing like after the whole shenanigans stuff. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you know, the new Glitch show, Gaslight District, is uploading on Friday. I think that's what it is. And the new SMG4 episode premieres like Saturday. So I literally had two things I gotta do before I gotta, you know, focus on other series and stuff. But in other words, I do think I enjoy the series a lot. I mean, the more episodes it gets, the more interesting and funnier it is. But I think that's gonna wrap it up. It's like 11 p.m. here, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share, and please follow my socials down below. And otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. I'm outie.